Hello everyone, today we're making a tuna sandwich. First you'll need some lettuce, tuna, tomato, tartar sauce, sriracha sauce, and some cheese. I used whole wheat bread, but you can use any. First you'll need to mix 3 tablespoons of tartar sauce and 2 tablespoons of sriracha with your canned tuna. Take 2 pieces of bread and put 1 cheese. Toast it to about medium or dark, however you prefer. I added some jalapenos into my sandwich, but you can use any type of vegetables you like. After the bread has been toasted, add some tuna, lettuce, tomatoes, and your jalapenos. Cut it in half and then serve with a side of tartar sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.